good afternoon to all of you. I think DSW mentioned young vice president. I don't know if I still qualify to be called as young. See, for me it's a unique privilege being his son for the past 55 years. I got the front row privilege to watch the biopic. How many people can say that, right? So I got the front row seat. So I have been watching throughout my life, and I'm so privileged. I mean, there are many things which I have learned from him. We all continue to learn from this great personality. I think the most impressive of all is the hard work. Because I have never seen him relax. For him, there's nothing called relax, right? Everything is always work. So, my mom always says, why don't you spend some time for the family? For him, family is not limited to the 4 brothers or wife. For him, the family is much, much bigger. The world is my family. Right? So, he always thinks in a bigger way. Right? Whenever he speaks, he doesn't say just VIT should grow, just individuals should grow. He always thinks, how would society grow? How would our country grow? How would our world become better? So that kind of vision, apart from hard work, is an important thing which we all need to learn. And the passion, the dedication, right? Whatever he takes. For example, he was the food minister. He could have been an ordinary minister just, doing things and letting things go. No. He changed the ration system. He changed so many systems. Of course, that's why he got into trouble also. But he was never worried about that. Even though for a short period he was a minister, he made a huge mark. He was recognized at the national level. He was made as the chairman. Of course, that put him in more trouble. But the point is, whatever he does, he wants to give the best and make it the best. Fortunately, then came our VEC and VIT. Thanks to Dr. MGR. Actually, our SPT sir forgot to mention the most important chief minister under whom he worked, our Dr. MGR, but for whom we wouldn't be here, right? He called our Chancellor, then Chairman said, because when Chairman said, I want an engineering college for this backward Vellore, he says, there's no money in the government, why don't you start it? So forever and ever, our Chancellor remembers Dr. MGR because of him. This has come. The small seed has become a banyan tree. So that's why we have a statue for Dr. MGR in our campus, our Chancellor's mentor. So the point I wanted to make is the recognition for our Chancellor is recognition for VIT. Because it is his baby which has become so big. It is becoming a world-level institution. I mean, we are almost there. We have achieved a good ranking, but we have places to go. As we step into our 40th year, from 1984, we are stepping on to next academic year, we are going to celebrate our 40th year of establishment of VIT. As my previous speakers pointed out, this is our great opportunity to say thanks to our Chancellor by taking VIT to the top. That's the best way we are going to say thanks to our Chancellor. That's the best way we are going to compliment him. Each one of us need to work hard, work smart, and take VIT to the top, because, that's when he will feel happy. We all want to keep him happy, say thanks. We have to work together, work smart, and I'm sure we can take VIT to the top. He is such a bold person. He has not just worked under chief ministers, he has fought many chief ministers also and won those battles. It's not easy. I have stood by him, like Sandhya kindled some of my old memories of 1990, standing by him to fight against the mighty government. At that time, you realize how powerful a government can be. They have the revenue department, they have the police department, they have so many lawyers with them, finance, everything. But to fight against a mighty government is not an easy task. We have done it. He has done it. I had the opportunity to stand next to him. As I keep saying, நாம் நடந்து வந்த பாதை ரோஜா பூக்களால் ஆனது கிடையாது. கற்களும் முள்களும் நிறைந்த பாதை. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பாதையை கடந்து வந்திருக்கோம். I'm sure there will be many more hurdles. But if we are all together, ஊர் கூடி தேர் இருக்கணும். If we are all doing it together, unitedly, we will reach the top, and that's the best tribute we can pay to him. I'm sure we can do it. Thank you very much.